Good morning, everyone. We're going to get going. Let's go ahead and open up.
And Your Honor, could you co-host me so I may be reviewing some folks?
Say that again.
I was just saying, could you co-host me so I may be muting some folks with me? Thank you.
And good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The 36th District Court is now in session for courtroom 434, presenting the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins, who is presiding. While court is in session, no gum chewing, no eating, no smoking is allowed, no provocative apparel, caps, hats, and do-rags must be removed. Have a pencil and sheet of paper handy. You may have to take some pertinent information. Judge?
All right, good morning. Thank you. All right, what I'm going to do is try to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I've kind of taken your names down already, so good morning to you. And we're going to start with Mr. Ogletree. Are you ready with your client, sir?
Attorney Ogletree?
Okay, I'm gonna assume he's not ready yet. Ms. Robinson, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are you ready with your client?
I have two today. Miss Lucas is a review, and Mr. Lindsay I have no contact with. I don't know if he's coming today.
Okay.
Miss Lucas is on here.
Very well. Good morning, Ms. Lucas. This is the City of Detroit versus Catherine Lucas, case number SP 1459149. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Miss Catherine Lucas. Miss Lucas, please state your name.
Ms. Lucas, you have to unmute your device, please.
I sent her the prime.
Catherine Lucas. Sorry.
Good morning, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a review. This is 6-month delay. That you paid.
Oh.
So, is this some sort of domestic relationship or something here?
No, Judge, it was between my client and the police. She was taken to jail.
I'm talking about what precipitated the police to come to the location.
It was, excuse me, my client's boyfriend's cousin. Excuse me.
I hope this has kind of settled things down, has it, Ms. Lucas?
Yes,
And time too as well, right?
yes, yes, sir.
And Jenna, okay, no, I'm looking at the wrong. All right, when did this, how long were you on probation for?
This happened last June, June 9th.
All right, we'll close it out. We'll dismiss. And hopefully everything stays settled down with it, all right? Ms. Lucas?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a very, very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Genevieve Lewis. Case numbers SP 111-31702 and SP 153-14761. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Genevieve Lewis, didn't connect the audio, so we'll pass. Can't hear us. Jermaine Jeans.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
It's the city of Detroit versus Jermaine Jeans. Case numbers SP 1503436 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1503437 counts 1 and counts 2. And Z8091711. Appearance to the record, please.
Elvin S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Jeans.
Jermaine Jeans.
Can you come more in focus, sir, so we can see who we're talking to?
I can't hear you.
Your screen is dark. I can't even make out what you look like. Jermaine Jeans.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have some clothes? Oh, that's Genevieve Lewis. Jermaine Jeans. Okay, very good. All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. As for purposes of bond, this is going to be a $500 personal bond, Mr. Jeans, on this case. We're going to start testing 1 time per week.
Court, when I went to court, when I seen you.
Okay. Did you get a attorney pointed to you?
I think so, yes. Somebody called me, a lady, but I haven't talked to her since then.
Miss Robinson, is this Mr. Jeans? Let's get probation down here. Let's see how the testing is going. How is the testing going?
It's going good. I was already testing. So everything's been good. He contacted the I think he contacted where I go test at. He said if he had any problems, he was going to give me a call if he didn't have any problems getting a test.
And
then the guy that I can't, because I had to go down to the 36th district probation to
You don't know his name? You don't remember his name?
no, I only seen him one time. He just told me I don't have to worry about anything.
All right,
He'll
let's
give
get
me a call.
Officer Thomas. Let's get Officer
Yeah.
Thomas. Let's get him in here, and then let's find out where this attorney is Sarah, is Sarah. You know, Ms. Robinson, that's not your other client you were looking for, is it? No, Lindsay is the
No,
other.
Judge. Excuse me, no, Judge.
And you don't attorney's name that called you either, huh?
No, I don't know her name.
Man, I don't know why you don't write this stuff down. This is as important as this case is. Let's find out.
The Detroit officer Thomas, PO. His name is Thomas, Officer Thomas.
No, I know that. I'm talking about the attorney that you said called.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think her name might have been Alexis, but I'm not sure.
That's me. Good morning. I'm representing Mr. Deans.
All right. So let's go put you in a breakout room so you guys can, he doesn't, he said he hasn't had much contact. Is there something that you need to talk to him about, or would you want to talk to the city attorney first? Or what would you like to do? Can you put your appearance on the record, please, Ms. Payne?
Certainly. Good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Mr. Jermaine Deans. And we have had several conversations, and I also been able to talk to the city attorney, so I will discuss the offer with my client.
You've had several conversations with him?
Yep.
And he doesn't seem to be, that doesn't seem to be what he said, but I don't know what's going on with this. He indicates that you called him once and that was it.
I've emailed with him. He has given me some documentation, and then we had
Yeah, I'm just wondering what's going on with Mr. Jeans. He said he only had one contact with you. I asked him, did you know your name? He says no, he doesn't remember your name. I said, you talked to her. Are you having this kind of issue with him as well?
the communication has not been as often as I would like, but we have talked, Your Honor, and we have emailed, and he has given me documentation that I asked for. And I have an offer for him.
The time that I did talk to her, yes, yes, I did send some emails. The time I talked to her, she gave me an email, and I did send some documents that I told her that I had, and she asked me to email them to her, so I did email that.
So it's been a lot of conversation then, right?
I talked to her, and I sent her emails after I talked to her.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Jeans and Officer Thomas. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Joseph Thomas on behalf of the probation department. Mr. Jeans has been testing through ADAPT. He was actually previously referred there by Clinton Township. I haven't received any positive screens or missed screens from ADAPT for him, Mr. Jeans.
Very well. That's what he indicates too. So congratulations on that, Mr. Jeans. Sounds like you're taking this serious. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your lawyer and have a conversation with her. You guys can let us know what you want to do when you come out. You have an absolute right to a trial. Always keep that in mind and remember that, all right?
Okay.
Your Honor, do you require my presence?
No, I don't.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Lovejoy, can you remove your hat, please?
Thank you. Good morning.
Okay, good morning to you. So, Lovejoy, failure to display, you entered into an agreement to the failure to display. you paid the false ID.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's see if that was gonna be under delay.
Is that what a review is for?
Yes.
Okay, I was wondering. I just learned something new today.
How's the t-shirt business going?
Actually, Mother's Day is kicking hay right now. Then the family reunion is going to start next.
He's got this false ID, Ms. Snyder. I don't know if it was allowed. Is Glover driving a car? Walter Glover?
Who is that?
I'm riding in a car.
Okay. So Ms. Schneider, I don't know if you're willing to amend it and give him a delay on this false ID or not. He paid it.
I would ask, Your Honor, if we could pull his file and look at what the original offer was.
Let's see. See if we can find this file. All right, sit tight, Mr. Lovejoy, please, all right?
Oh, repeat it. I couldn't hear you.
All right, wait, give me a minute, all right?
Yes, sir. I mean, yes, Your Honor.
Keep on, Corporal Hayward. If you have someplace else so you need to check in, you're free to go ahead. I got you checked in, Corporal Hayward. If not, I'll put you in breakout room 1. All right. Genevieve Lewis.
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Genevieve Lewis. Who put their appearance on for Ms. Lewis?
I did, Your Honor. Once again, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Lewis.
All right, Ms. Lewis, can you state your name for the record, please?
Genevieve Lewis. Genevieve Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial and a review. So we're gonna, for the one case, SP 111-31702, you never paid it.
Okay.
Okay. Do you plan on paying it?
Yes, I could play it Friday.
All right, I'm gonna bring that back down to the well, it was 285, so you close it out for 285, and then let's sit tight on the other case. I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock, so if the officer doesn't show by 9:30, we'll dismiss the case. All right, if so, we'll allow you to speak with Ms.
Yeah, I'm glad you're okay.
Soroki about it. All right.
Okay.
All right. Let's go down to Christian Owens.
I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Your Honor.
The city of Detroit. Versus Christian Duran Owens. Case number SP 1559459, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Owens.
Christian Duran Owens.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. This is like the offer, if I remember correctly, from Ms. Snyder would be a failure to display, $240 fine, and dismiss the other 2 matters. You have a valid license, registration, and insurance, or?
No, No, basically, so I'm not the kind of person that's I'll take accountability. When I got pulled over and stuff like that,
Wait. This is not the time to.
Oh no, not talking like that. No, I do, but I do have my ID. I'm sorry, yeah, no. Yes, I don't have, but I do have my
I ask you a simple question. Do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
No, I don't have valid license registration. Not yet, no.
Okay. Are you planning on getting valid license, registration?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When do you plan on getting those documentation?
I start early next week. So about mid towards the end of May, I should have everything.
Okay. Let's give him a pretrial date. Pretrial, June the 28th, 2024. Come back at 8:30 in the morning. All right. Good luck on that license, registration, and insurance. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you. Be safe. Have a good day.
Sure.
Mario. Good morning to you, sir. What's your last name, please?
Good morning, Mario Littlejohn.
Mario Littlejohn?
Sir.
Set for trial today. We're going to give you officers a half-hour grace period. We will, if the officer doesn't show, obviously we'll dismiss the case. If the officer shows, we'll give you an opportunity to speak with the attorney about the offer, and we'll determine whether you want to take it or have a trial. All right.
Okay.
Give us sit tight, please.
Okay.
Ms. Payne, are we ready to go?
I just want to confirm something with Ms. Schneider, and then we will be ready to go, Your Honor.
We're in a breakout room with Ms. Schneider.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Ramon London, case number SP 1459997, counts 1 and counts 3. State your name for the record, Mr. London, please.
Ramon London.
Mr. London, you owe and haven't paid.
Yep. Yeah, I understand. What I was gonna say is, I wanted to see if I can get a 20-day extension because I had a death in my family on the 17th of April. That kind of put me in a hole.
I'm sorry to hear about that.
I was laid up. I'm back at work now.
I'm gonna give you 30 days, okay?
Okay.
Come back on June the 10th.
All right. June the 10th, the same time?
June 10th, same time.
Okay.
Nothing further, sir. Those go out to you. Have a very good day. Be safe.
Okay, you too.
James?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name, please.
La Cuana.
La Cuana. Good morning.
Good morning.
This game sounds so innocent. I'm thinking I'm gonna see like one little meeting or 1 to 5 or something. I got the whole list of charges.
Yeah, I'm saying the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had participated in street justice program.
Oh, okay. How's that going?
They told me the tickets were supposed to be I completed the program and they said the tickets were supposed to be wiped off, but I had to pay like $30 to reinstate
Let's
me.
get them in here. Let's get them in here.
Okay.
How about your housing situation? Did you get that straight?
Actually, I received a housing choice voucher for $1,200. But I've been struggling to try to find I have to have a 3-bedroom, and I've been struggling to find one, but I'm staying with friends and family. I rented a room at a friend's house. So me and my children are there until I can save up some money to pay first and last months and find a place in that price range.
Very good. Sounds like you've gotten a lot of steps forward. I'm glad to hear that. And it sounds like you have a plan and you're executing it. And we're going to continue to pray that you get to the ends that you're looking to get to.
Yes, me too, Your Honor. To God be the glory. And amen to that prayer.
Okay, let's pass the matter momentarily, Ms. Gaines, until we can get street outreach court in here, and then you give us an update, all right?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Payne, are you ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor, it's going to be a plea.
All right, have you spoken and gone over your rights and rights with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jeans. Mr. Jeans, I've given you an opportunity to speak with your counsel. Your counsel's pre-tried the case, understanding you want to take a deal, right?
Yes.
And what's the offer?
Your Honor, the city is reducing the high BAC to driving while intoxicated, and the balance of the tickets, the driving while license not valid, open alcohol in vehicle driver, yard signal, and violation of basic speed law are all going to be dismissed.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Jeans?
Yes.
You know, this is a 4-point offense on the first one, or is it 6-point?
Right now, he is charged with high BAC. It's the lesser of driving while intoxicated. And I think that is.
You're looking at a mandatory suspension. Right. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
You've already received that information in the mail or no?
You said, have I received that information in the mail?
Yeah.
No, not yet.
After this plea here.
It's a 6-pointer, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
At 1,200, let's see, 6 points, and you. Which one are you looking at?
I'm looking at driving while intoxicated. Both high BAC and driving while intoxicated, I believe, are the 6 points. It is the licensing sanction as well as the potential for more jail term on the high BAC.
Right. And there's gonna be a mandatory suspension. I know the visibly impaired, there's a suspension, but it's an automatic restricted. This is not the case for this one, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor. But he can petition.
You understand the consequences of that, right, sir?
Yes.
And you want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
All right, where are you? Did you turn your camera off again?
Yes.
Leave it on, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
And plus the other driver sanctions that we discussed. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
At some point during the pendency of this case, your attorney, Ms. Payne, went over your other advice or rights, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 6th, 2023, at around 2:17 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 12441 East Jefferson Avenue, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have some alcoholic beverages during or prior to the your operation of that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And what did you have?
Some Hennessy.
And how much Hennessy?
I'm not sure.
Would you agree that this Hennessy impaired your ability or affected your ability to operate this vehicle?
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, defense is satisfied.
Will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the was there a data master taken in this case?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I stipulate that. Are you satisfied, Ms. Snyder?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Our court is satisfied. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of operating while intoxicated. Stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
Stipulated.
All right, what we're going to need to do is get a sentencing date. You're going to need to submit to a pre-sentence report, sir. That means you're going to have to make yourself available to the probation officer, Thomas, again, so that you can have this report. I need this report before sentencing. I am going to give them and you 45 days to get that report, take that report. And that date, let's say approximately 45 days. Let's say June 27th date of sentencing at 10 a.m.
That's fine. That works, Your Honor.
June 27th, 10 a.m. If you have any questions, get in touch with the lawyer. She'll direct you. I need the pre-sentence report before we impose the sentence. Okay, Mr. Jeans?
Yes, sir.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you. And thank you, Ms. Payne. Best of luck to you. I'll see you back on June the 27th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Ms.
I had a couple of cases, but I don't see these people, Jasmine Glover and Maurice Lidge. I don't see either one of them.
I don't know. I don't see him either. Anybody, Jasmine Glover or Maurice? Maurice is here. Maurice is here. Oh, that's Maurice's iPhone.
Yeah, I'm here.
Is that you, sir? Is it live?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right. Good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Barrett. Okay.
Okay.
Judge.
Yes.
Do you have an offer for him or?
Let's see. Today is the day and time. I just have Barrett Hayward is here. Corporal Hayward is here, so I don't know if he wrote all the tickets or not.
Okay, because I didn't have a discovery on this. If they are ready for trial, I would need discovery and see if there was an offer. So let me talk to police.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room first with Ms. Snyder. She can get you an offer, then you can go talk to your client.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Your Honor, can I also be placed in the breakout room with Ms. Snyder?
Yeah. Counselor, on Howell, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You want to be a part of that breakout room as well, or do you want to just?
Well, are we going to get a state prosecutor in there? That's who I need to speak with.
Let's get state prosecutor, please. I don't know if the officer has showed.
I don't see him in Zoom, but he might be somewhere.
Well, if he doesn't show by 9:30, then it won't matter. We're going to dismiss the case.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll mute myself until told where to go.
Very well.
Thank you.
Okay, so I did get a reply from Mr. Patel. He's going to be in here shortly, Ms. Gaines. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Mystique Grove, case number SP1000683, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1023601, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1352687, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Mystique Grove, case number SX41643561, SX4302271, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grove.
Mystique Grove.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
What's the set for today, Mr. Berry?
Pretrial, Your Honor.
Pretrial, why don't you, see if we can get an offer from, Miss Snyder, Ms. Grove, did I give you an opportunity to pay the reinstatement fee?
Yes.
These cases weren't dismissed, Ms. Snyder. Did you get a license?
Yes.
Run a driver's license, please.
You said show it?
No, I'm gonna get it run. I'm gonna run it. What about registration and insurance? Do you have registration and insurance?
Yes.
Now you can show me that. Let's see what you have there.
I'm present on that matter.
A little bit closer.
I did send him a text telling him the hearing was going on.
Is that Miss Soroki? Is that for us? All right, I'm satisfied with that. Let's see the registration.
I don't have the registration because the car is not in my name, but the insurance is.
Okay. All right, Mr. Berry, I do see registration. There's 2 cases you're supposed to be dismissed on. Why they didn't dismiss? Congratulations. Did the license come in? Congratulations on the license. The license is valid.
Thank you.
All right, sit back and let Mr. Berry do some work on this and see if he can come up by way of offer. All right, I'm gonna put Mr. Berry in the breakout room with Ms. Snyder. Go in the breakout room 4 with Ms. Snyder and find out what you can do. She has valid insurance and a license indicated that the car is not in her name, so therefore she can't get it registered. But I do see the insurance documentation. So speak to Ms. Snyder, Mr. Berry. I think they're in breakout room 4.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll mark them again. Okay, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Gaines, Laquiana Gaines.
We never did actually call Gaines' case.
We didn't. All right, City of Detroit versus Laquiana Lovely Gaines, case number SB 1276326, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1289619, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 18921. SP 1344117. SP 1382071. SP 1437819. SP 1437820, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1460603, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1460637, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1464738, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1464765, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1492587, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1498828, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1502432, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1515680, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan, Level Games, case number SX 4208066, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Patel, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. J.H. Patel, P number 65385 from Ms. Gaines. Ms. Gaines, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, my name is Lakiana Gaines.
All right. Mr. Patel, Ms. Gaines indicates to the court that she has completed her action plan.
Yes. Your Honor, I'd like to apologize to the court and to Ms. Gaines. She graduated on in March 21st of this year. She did complete her action plan, including 10 interventions. And I don't know why the order hasn't been entered or the relief hasn't been entered on the cases. But I did review the order, and the cases that are on the docket that I see open appear to be on the order. So I'm just unclear as to specifically what went wrong with entry of this order. I do have a call with the judge after receiving your call this morning. I am planning to speak with the judge this afternoon about the order and the entry.
Can we get obviously, you know, this is was the order for dismissal of the cases or what?
Yeah, for unadjudicated cases, it actually has the relief in the order itself, which I can forward to Your Honor. But for pending cases, the cases are dismissed. For defaulted cases, the default is waived or vacated, and then the cases are dismissed. And for any adjudicated cases where there was a plea or admission, then the case is just closed with improvement.
Well, that's you know, I hear Ms. Gaines is a person that walks by faith. I do as well too, and God is very good. I know that it's still you still haven't gotten over that hump yet, but it sounds like, and it just reinforces the street democracy court, and if you stay committed to it. You do have that voucher. I congratulate you on that. I can't wait to either sign the order or get the orders, see the order signed, so we can close all this stuff out, put it behind you, Ms. Gaines. And I'm just glad you had the wherewithal and the determination and all that through all the other stuff you're going through in your life to follow through with it. All right.
Yeah.
So.
And thank God for Jesus, because
yeah. So we'll do, I don't know, when do you think you can have it done, Mr. Patel?
I haven't, like I said, I have a call with the judge this afternoon. I can also forward the order now to Your Honor. I like I said, normally I don't want you to touch it. It is already signed by judge. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Forward that to me.
Okay.
I was gonna tell Ms. Gaines she can come back, and I know coming back now is not the same as coming back like when the whole thing first started. But I know you still would rather get on and not see me all the time. So forward it to me. If that order is signed, we'll close all this stuff out.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll forward it to you right now.
All right.
It's up again, Ms. Gaines. I apologize to you for the delay in getting the order entered.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Street Team.
Give me a few more minutes, all right?
Okay.
You sit back and watch the rest of the show.
43238.
Okay, well, Miss Barrett, you're not muted.
Sorry, Judge. I need to go on with Mr. Lidge when you get a chance.
All right, Lawrence. And Jeanette Lawrence.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ms. Barrett, did you say you're ready on your client?
No, Judge, I was asking to go into the breakout room with Mr. Lidge.
Okay. It's Lige, but you can get the correct pronunciation and get in there. He's in 5, so we'll put you in 5.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Anjanette Lawrence, case number SB 1511747, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Hey,
Your Honor,
Anjanette,
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Miss Lawrence.
Lawrence, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Anjanette Lawrence.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. To get an offer, it's probably going to be failure to display. If I remember Ms. Snyder's offer on this, but let's make sure. Ms. Snyder, are you there? Okay, now I think we lost Ms. Snyder. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes.
Run her license, please. They're saying that, and that's not funny, but they're saying, I guess they're saying that the cell phone, and I know it's just an allegation, and I don't want you to respond. I'm just gonna be talking to your lawyer, that driving on the cell phone caused an accident. That's what they're saying, Mr. Roki.
Was it actually an accident, or sometimes those accident tickets are like speeding tickets? Like they represent something else when it says just accident like that.
You see your lawyer doing her work, Miss Lawrence? And I have no idea what it was. It's an allegation right now, so I know Ms. Lawrence really wants to say something. So wait till you talk to your lawyer, Ms. Lawrence. Let me put you in a breakout. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Are you ready on your client, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's pass Lawrence and let's go back on the record with Grove. Ms. Grove, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Did you find an offer?
I was able to get an offer, Your Honor. We'd asked the court to set this matter for a bench trial.
All right, very well. We're going to dismiss case numbers SX 416-43561 and case numbers SX 430-2271, counts 1, 2, and 3. Those cases were supposed to be dismissed at the last hearing, but somehow they did not. So we're close those matters out now. And that's what you want to do, Ms. Grove, on the trial?
Yes.
Let's give the trial date of August the 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Grove?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Jeffrey S21.
Hello?
Yeah, good morning to you, sir. What's your name?
Jeffrey Brooks.
Jeffrey Brooks. I want to make sure you're in the right place.
I'm a witness.
Oh, very well. All right, let's pass the matter
I had a
Counselor,
case number.
no. We'll wait on yours. I think they've already spoken to you, right?
Yes.
All right, so let's sit tight for a minute. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaines. All right, Ms. Gaines, I have the order here.
Yes.
I'm going to, I'm just gonna dismiss and close out everything. And again, congratulate you, all right?
Thank you so very much, Honor.
All right, I'm gonna also wish you the best of luck.
Yeah, because my son, he has been incarcerated too, just now, for loitering.
I'm sorry to hear, man.
Yeah, I didn't know that they don't let me in the shelter. And when he turned 18, they wouldn't allow him to be with us. He had to go off to a separate men's shelter by himself, and he's 18 with mental illness. So
and they actually arrested him for that?
He is incarcerated right now. Yes.
It's waived all fines and costs. I know it sometimes seems like when it rains it pours, man. I don't know what to say. Hopefully you can get some legal aid or something like that that can help you with that.
Yeah, all things work for the good to them who love him. He love them on God. So
wish you the best of luck. We're going to close everything out. We're going to dismiss all your cases and close out and dismiss the civil infractions. Set aside the defaults and dismiss the civil infractions. And again, thank God for your perseverance as well, and for you to be able to follow with the program and get that. And I look forward to hearing about that new 3-bedroom home you guys are going to move into. All right.
Amen. Thank you so much, Your Honor. I really appreciate the whole system, street justice. Everybody was awesome and helped me. Thank you.
You're very much welcome. And thank you, Mr. Simpson. That's just another example of how street democracy court works. And keep up the good work as well. All right.
Thank you.
Will do.
You know, if I need you, I'll be sending you that text message, Mr. Patel.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
Judge, could you put me back in with the city attorney?
All right, I'm going to give you capability, Ms. Barrett. So you can, I'll put you back. I don't think that she's here right now. I think she may have stepped away. We're waiting on her. So I'm gonna assign you to room 4, and I'll let her know that you'll be waiting on her.
Judge, then did Jasmine Glover check in?
I got
Alice
Glover. That's Jasmine Glover.
I'm Jasmine Glover. It's under Alice Glover.
Oh, okay. All right. I need to talk to her too. Miss Glover, well, anyway, Judge, I need to talk to her.
Take out room 6.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning to you, Ms. Glover.
Good morning.
Yeah, yes. Sorry about that. Okay. Counselor Powell, are we ready on your client, Lutkins?
Kevin Lutkins, yes. Earlier you said that the officer had not appeared and that if he wasn't here by 9:30, you would dismiss. I do see the APA is here, but I don't see that the officer has appeared.
Good morning, APA Henderson.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, is Powers, let's see if Powers, is there a Daniel Powers, Trooper Daniel Powers. This is State of Michigan versus Kevin Wayne Ludkins, case number SX 430-44201. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your
morning,
Honor.
Your-
Good morning,
Go
Your
ahead.
Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
All right, good morning, Mr. Henderson. Go ahead, Counselor.
Good morning, Your Honor. George Howell, P74468, appearing on behalf of Kevin Lutkins.
All right, and you put your P number on the record, right?
I'm sorry, I can't hear.
Did you put your P number on the record? I'm sorry.
Yes, P74468, Your Honor.
Very well. And Mr. Lutkins, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Please.
Kevin Wayne Lutkins.
Very well. Today is the date and time set for a trial. There's there an officer Powers off the record. We call for that officer, Trooper Daniel Powers. Hearing no response, want to make a motion, Counsel?
I move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right. Grant the motion to dismiss no officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, Mr. Howell and Mr. Lutkins. And then
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't know if you have anybody else or not.
I do not, Your Honor.
You do not. All right. You have a very good day too. If we need you, we'll call you.
Judge.
Yes, Ms. Barrett.
For Miss Jasmine Glover, I do believe that there's no officer and we're set for trial.
City of Detroit versus Jasmine Nicole Glover, case number U66950523. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Barrett on behalf of Jasmine Glover. Ms. Glover, tell the judge your name.
Ms. Glover, take your name for the record, please.
Did she come out the breakout room?
No, she didn't.
Oh, okay.
Things like you're gonna have to go in there and get her, please.
Okay, I thought she came out.
All right, Ms. Glover, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jasmine Glover.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Bender? Officer Bender, Kent Bender. Hearing no response, Ms. Barrett.
Judge, we would make a motion that the matter be dismissed.
Grant the motion to dismiss no officer. If nothing further, Ms. Glover, have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I'm still looking for the city attorney.
She's not back yet.
So I should just wait here.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right,
You
Ms.
can
Glover,
leave, Ms. Glover.
I can leave.
Yes.
Excuse me, Judge. I have a quick question. This is Walter Glover. Me and Jasmine Glover, we got the same ticket the same day by the same officer. It just I didn't get I don't know why I didn't get a chance to get a lawyer, but we had the same ticket, same court, same date, same lawyer, same officer.
City of Detroit versus Walter Glover, case number U66950323. Appearance for the record, please. Not everybody.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Glover.
Walter Glover.
Your Honor, date
Go ahead, counsel.
and time for trial, Your Honor. The motion is for dismissal. There being no complaining witness.
Case dismissed, no officer. If it's nothing further, Mr. Glover, have a very good day. Best of luck.
All right, thank you. You too. Bye-bye.
Okay, I have a driver's license for Lawrence. And Jeanette Lawrence.
And we are ready, Your Honor, on the rest of that matter.
Are you ready on that? Let's go back on the record with Miss Lawrence. Miss Lawrence, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, after negotiating with the city attorney, the accident violations being amended to 6 to 10 over limited access. If she has a valid license, that count and the cell phone count are being dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Miss Lawrence?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what do you want to say about this thing now? You've been wanting to say something.
I wanted to elaborate on the.
Did the driving on the cell phone cause the accident?
Yes, it really did.
You see why they made that law now?
Yes. But Your Honor, if I could say, I'm a door dasher. So,
I get it. I get it. You have to kind of look at your phone to try to
navigate there.
That's a tough one. At least you're honest, ma'am. Does the city know that she's doing DoorDash?
I did not tell the city she was doing DoorDash.
Maybe that may mitigate a little bit.
I can
let. Does that affect your ability to make your money?
Yes.
All right. Let's pass the matter again and speak with Ms. Snyder. I think the overall, did you take the better driver's course, ma'am?
No. When you sent me the link, right after we hung up, I went to try to go back to the messages to get the link, and it was not there anymore.
So why didn't you get back in touch with the court?
I should have. Yes. I apologize on that.
This is your livelihood that you're talking about.
Yes, Your Honor. I apologize. I just
nothing else needs to be said now. I'm gonna send you the link again. All right, let's pass it. Let's let Ms. Soroki speak again. And now that you have to tell this is the stuff. This is why I cut you off from telling me to admitting responsibility before anything was ever even heard, to talk to your lawyer about it and tell. That's when you go and confess your sins to. Okay.
I actually did. I told her about that. The whole reason why I had gotten into the accident.
All right.
But
All right.
Yes.
So anyway, with Ms. Soroki, see if she did. Did you take a screenshot of the better driver's course?
No. Okay, wait a minute. I'm getting ready to do it now. Okay. All right, I got it.
All right. Let Ms. Soroki speak to Ms. Snyder and see if that will help mitigate some of the things, because we don't want to really interfere with your livelihood. At the end of the day, the city attorney hands the offers out. All right.
Yes.
All Sit tight for a minute. Yvette Greer.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, there you are.
I'm here. I'm sorry.
All right, let's see. You have valid registration and insurance, ma'am?
I do.
Someone was here on rear. Someone go ahead and get, okay, Lieutenant Barr, this is the city of Detroit versus Yvette Renee Greer, case number SB 1530697, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Greer.
Yvette Greer. Yvette Renee
It
Greer.
it is a good morning, huh? You got a robe on still and everything, right? Rise and shine, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right. Lieutenant Barr, good morning to you.
It's funny.
What's so funny?
It's supposed to be
I was trying not to laugh.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Lieutenant Barr. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Lieutenant Timothy Barr, Detroit Police Department.
The badge number, please.
Badge L225.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Greer indicates to the court that she has valid registration and insurance. Is that correct, Ms. Greer?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Can you show the court that, please?
I can. That's the registration.
Let's see what you have.
And this is the insurance.
Oh, wait a minute. She flashed that so quick. I mean, it's like, wait a minute. All right, let's see. All right, that is expired.
Oh, forgive
That's
me.
why I was flashed so quick.
Forgive me. I gave you the wrong one. Forgive me. Forgive me. No. I picked up the wrong one.
I understand. It's bright and early.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, here you go.
Let's see what we have. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. See the insurance, please. Okay, I'm going to dismiss the case, Lieutenant Barr.
That's fine.
Valid documents, okay? No objection to that, Lieutenant Barr?
No objection, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Lieutenant Barr, be safe out there. Have a very good day. Ms. Greer, you can go ahead back to sleep now, all right?
All right, thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
It is Val Charleston, investigator Charleston. Okay. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready on your client?
Yes, Your Honor. We're requesting an adjournment so we can do a deviation.
City of Detroit versus Shamar Cyril Green. He's been testing, correct?
Yes, sir. And that's Sorrel Green.
Sorrel, I'm sorry. Okay, let's get who have you been testing with?
Who am I testing with? Oh, what's his name? Mr. Hunter.
Hunter, get Hunter down here, please. Let me check, and see how is it going?
Everything's been going good.
Let's get Ms. Hunter down here. Let's verify that. Okay, Owens. Kenneth Owens is set for trial. Who else do we have here? One. Lewis. Let's get Genevieve Lewis. Let's go back on the record with let's go back on the record with Genevieve Lewis. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Nelson did appear. He's in the breakout room. Let's wait. It's an allowing. Who put their appearance on the record for Ms. Lewis?
I did, Your Honor.
It's an allowing. So, you know, they got some very specific elements they need to meet. I don't know if Ms. Lewis gave them to them or not. I'm gonna look at the ticket. And it says on the notes, driver revoked license, Donald Deshaun Knott. And it just got some identifying information about what I perceive as Donald Deshaun Knott, but it still has a couple of elements to meet in that the city would have to prove in order to find Ms. Lewis guilty of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. So,
and Ms. Snyder should be on her way back shortly. I sent her a text.
Okay, thank you. We'll sit back and wait on Ms. Snyder. What about Little John? Is Little John ready?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, you said Kenneth Owens is set for trial. I was a witness waiting on that.
All right, I know we already established that.
Oh, I was listening. I thought you said it was set for trial or something like that.
It is.
Oh, so I don't need to be here no more.
If you're a witness, I don't know.
All right, I'll sit tight. I'm sorry, sir. I'm just trying to.
I don't know what happened, what's going on, who you're a witness for, or anybody.
I'm a witness for I got subpoena. I got a subpoena.
Okay. Well, we'll get some resolution hopefully today. Who's got Little John?
I'm sorry, sir.
That's all right. Who's got Little John?
I'll take Little John, Your Honor. Oh,
No,
that's
I think that's Miss. Kind of think that's Miss Barrett. Is Miss Little John? Are you with Miss Barrett? Yes. We'll wait on Miss Barrett to come out. All right. Let's that'll be a recess then until we get some until we get Ms. Snyder back.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh my God. No, they did not recess only, bro.
Sir, please mute your microphone.
Okay, let's go back on the record for Mr. Green. Mr. Hunter, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Sam Hunter appearing on behalf of probation.
Your Honor, can we call the case for Mr. Green?
Oh, we didn't do that yet, did we?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Babe, they're calling me. If you want to be in here.
This is the city of Detroit versus Shamar Green.
Shamar
Green, case number SP 1534437, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1535306, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1535309-1, SP 1535311, SP 1535427, counts 1 and counts 2, and Z 8091491 and 227488491. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron, for Mr. Green.
Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Shamar Green.
All right. Officer Hunter, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Sam Hunter appearing on behalf of probation.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I just brought you in to get an update on Mr. Green's testing. How is he doing?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Green was referred under pretrial for testing once per week. It looks like on February 29th of this year. Your Honor, Mr. Green has been testing as ordered. However, he is testing positive for THC, and I do not have a card on file for him, allowing for him to test positive for that particular substance.
Mr. Hunter, you remember I emailed you?
Listen, Mr. Green.
I'm sorry.
When I want you to speak, I'll ask you to speak, all right?
Okay.
And if you need to speak or want to speak, I'll give you the opportunity, but let me do what I'm doing, all right?
Okay.
All right. And what about alcohol, Mr. Hunter? Any positives, missed or diluted tests?
No, Your Honor, not for that substance.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Ogle.
Yes, we will be requesting an adjournment for so we submit a deviation letter to the prosecution.
All right. And how long will you need?
I would say at least 3 weeks. There's a difference how quickly they respond to it.
I'm going to give you until June the 10th. All right, we'll set another pretrial June the 10th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right, Mr. Hunter, I appreciate you coming in. And the next action date is June 10th, 2023. Bond conditions will stay the same.
Okay. What was that time, Your Honor? I'm sorry, I didn't get it.
At 8:30. All right.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, nothing further. Have a very good day, both of you. You want to say something now, Mr. Green?
Yeah, I do have a RX card. I actually sent that to Mr. Hunter and my my lawyer.
I will double check that, Your Honor.
All right. I think Mr. Green just wanted to hear himself talk. He didn't hear me say anything. He didn't hear me say anything about the marijuana, but you just had to. He wanted to say it, so you said it.
Yeah,
all right. If it was marijuana, we were putting people in jail for it. Damn near everybody would be in jail.
I just wanted to get that out there. That's all.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Green, I will double check that.
Best of luck to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Snyder, I think Ms. Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lawrence. Ms. Lawrence, as the offer was amended count of 6 to 10 and the limited access. Now, well, while taking the responsible plea, I did find out, well, the file indicates that Ms. Lawrence was going to take the better driver's course. And I think you allowed her to do that, and Ms. Lawrence did indicate, I think it does mitigate a lot, that she indicates that she was on the cell phone, but at the time she was driving for DoorDash and she was getting her directions. So it is going to affect her ability to maintain a living. However, Ms. Lawrence did not take the better driver's course. She indicated to me that she went back once we hung up. And as we all know, once you hang up, you're not going to be able to get back in the chat and see anything. My question to her was, why didn't you get back in touch with us? And she basically, I guess she just didn't think of that, right? Right, Ms. Lawrence? Did I get everything right?
Correct.
All right. So are you willing to give Ms. Lawrence an opportunity to take this course and to help mitigate this so it doesn't affect her ability to make a living?
Yes, Your Honor, and I did discuss this matter with Attorney Soroki, and we appreciate Ms. Lawrence's honesty. We would ask that the matter be set for a trial so we can have the officer come in, we can talk to him, and in the interim, Ms. Lawrence can take that class.
Very well. Do you understand that, Ms. Lawrence?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come back on August the 20th. You have the class now. You have my email. And you have a valid license, so you have my email address. And come back on August the 20th, and we heard your side, we'll hear the officer's side, make sure it kind of comports, and then I'm sure that the city will have some mercy on you based on your honesty and your ability, understanding that that's your ability to make a living. All right.
Yes.
Your Honor, could you dismiss the suspended license today? Because if they check her driving record, they might just suspend her from her job.
Okay.
Because she does have a valid license.
I don't have any objection. Do you have any objection to that, Ms. Snyder?
No objection, Your Honor.
She has a valid driver's license. We'll dismiss that one. We'll set a formal hearing on the other two on August the 20th of 2024, 9 a.m. All right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Miss City Attorney, I need to speak to you again regarding that matter, Lidge.
So, Lige, so Mr. Green, you have your hand up still?
Yes, I was wondering, am I free to leave or do
you are?
Okay, I was just making sure.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, what about who's gonna deal with Owens? Ms. Soroki, can you go in breakout room 3 with Ms. Snyder? Owens Lewis, Genevieve Lewis is here and it's an allowing.
Lewis is ready, Your Honor.
Oh, ready?
You're ready on
and
that.
Mr. Nelson was here. City of no, hold on. It's the City of Detroit versus Genevieve Lewis. Case numbers SB 153144761 and SB 111-31702. Ms. Soroki, appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Lewis.
Ms. Lewis, good morning to you. Can you again state your name for the record? I think we already called it.
You have to unmute, Ms. Lewis.
Genevieve Lewis, you have me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning to you. What's going to be the? I got Officer Nelson as appeared, but I don't see him. What's going to be the outcome of this case?
Your Honor, we're going to stipulate to probable cause. If people are willing to dismiss since she has that outstanding fine, she does have to pay.
Okay. Case dismissed. I'm going to set another review date. When are you going to pay this other case? The one case is dismissed. When are you going to pay the other one?
$8 I'll pay it, not tomorrow, but you file on Friday.
Friday?
Yeah.
Are you gonna come down here and pay it?
Yes.
Are you gonna come in the morning? Why don't you, if you pay it Friday, just come out, show back up on Zoom on Monday, just to make sure it's cleared out. If you came in the morning, if you were coming down here in the morning, then you could just come up and show us.
If I come in, come up to courtroom?
Yeah, come up to the courtroom.
Okay.
So come back Friday then, and then we'll tomorrow, and then we'll close it out and dismiss it, all right?
I can't come tomorrow because I go back to work tomorrow. I took off today to go to this hearing. But you know what?
I don't want you to take off work. I don't want you to take off work.
Okay, what about Tuesday? I'm off on Tuesday. What about if I pay it and then come up there Tuesday? Is that fine?
How are you gonna pay it? You gonna pay it at the kiosk, or are you gonna pay it down at the courthouse?
I'm gonna come to the courthouse and pay it.
All right, so I'll see you Tuesday. Okay. The 14th.
All right.
Good day, Ms. Lewis.
All right. Have a blessed day.
All right, 313-685-9038. Who's on the phone? 313-685-9038. Okay.
David Gordon. David Gordon.
David who?
Gordon, Gordon.
Is that David Gordon or James Gordon?
David, David.
All right, good morning to you. What about Little John?
Huh?
Who's here on Little John?
Was that Miss Barrett, Judge?
I don't know. I guess so. All right, let's go with Owens. Who's taking care of Owens?
I can, Your Honor.
All right, I don't know the offer for Owens. Speak to Miss Snyder about Owens, and keep in mind that there's a witness here, I believe. I don't believe it's for Mr. Owens. Mr. Berry, speak to Mr. Inspector Walton is here for Gordon. So speak to Gordon in a breakout room, Mr. Berry, please. He's in the room.
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Lewis, I'm gonna put you out.
Okay.
He has something about a building in his situation, unsecure, unsafe. I don't know if they've made a recommendation on that or not. Are we ready on lives?
Yes, Judge. Judge, there's a police officer here, and the offer for him is going to be the following too close and arrest dismissed.
All right, what about, have you spoken to him about it?
Yes, I have, Judge. I just wanted to talk to the city attorney to confirm it.
City of Detroit, so nobody's on Little John. City of Detroit versus Maurice Lewis Lives, case number SP 1516902, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1516905, counts 1 and counts 2. Excuse me. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Maurice Lyde.
Mr. Lyons, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Maurice Lewis Lige.
Judge, I had a chance to talk to the city prosecutor regarding his offer. At this point, he would be admitting responsibility to following too close. The rest of the counts dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lyons?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that's a 2-point civil infraction on your driver's license?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an actual factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor?
Yes, Judge.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Judge. So stipulated.
With those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible as charged to the following too close, and that's $125 fine, and will be 2 points on his driver's license, and I'm going to dismiss the other matters. 125, Mr. Lyons, when can you pay it?
About 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks.
I'm going to give you 2 weeks. Pay
Okay.
it by May the 23rd, 2024, and you can pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Thank you, Judge. See you next time.
Thank you as well. Nobody has spoken to Little John yet?
Hey, Judge, if I may, I'm actually at work. I've been trying to wait patiently for this.
All right, we'll get you going right real quick. Where is Little John? Did we get the file? City of Detroit versus Mario Javon Little John. Case number is SP 109-09001. SP 1222358, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1389055, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1481886, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Is there a lawyer here on Little John? All right. Is there an officer, Pride, Officer Erica Pride? Hearing no response, on the court's own motion, I'll dismiss that case. Officer King, Corey King, and Officer Teak Reed, hearing no response. No officers appeared. Case is dismissed. No officer. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Little John, you're free to leave. Have a good day.
All right, appreciate it, sir.
Okay. Hayford. Miss, there's, all right, that's it. Owens left. This guy, he's trying to say. So,
Did you talk to your probation officer? What's your probation officer? Just come in.
And Mr. Corporal Haywood, I'm sorry, your defendant, he pled to the following two quotes.
Oh, okay. Okay. How you doing?
I marked the file that you appeared.
I'm sorry, you said.
I said, I'll mark the file that you appeared. Just be safe out there, all right?
Oh, will do. Thank you, Giannis.
Thank you, thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. So,
Mr. Snyder, could we meet at 4?
that's on the, well, she's in there now. All right. So going back to this. Hey, Investigator Walton, we finally have somebody here for you.
Okay.
All right.
How are you?
I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm fine.
I have a somebody, Miss Green here behind me. She's wants to intern down here, and this is her first day, so I'm giving her a little bit of the lay of the land. As
oh,
I
nice.
know it.
Congratulations.
Are we ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is Owens. Is this for Kenneth Owens?
Yes.
Correct.
All right.
May I have co-host abilities when you get a moment, Your Honor?
Mr. Gordon has got a witness, an officer, and that person isn't here. And, Mr. Gordon, didn't subpoena anybody, but he's got a phone number, and this matter really needs to hear from this officer.
Let me, I can talk to you in a breakout room.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Kenneth Owens, case number V13-255-624, V13-255-724, V13-255-824, V13-256-624, V13-256-924, V13-257-024, V13-257-124, V13-257-224, V13-257-324. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I have the issuing officer present.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Owens.
All right. Good morning to you. Mr. Owens, state your name for the record, please.
Kenneth Owens, Your Honor.
And good morning to you and Investigator Charleston. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
State your name, please, and your badge number and
Investigator Charleston with Detroit Animal Control, badge number 11.
Very well. Good morning to you. All right. What's is there a resolution here? And then let's also let Mr. Let's not forget another key component in this, Mr. Jeffrey Brooks. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Jeffrey Brooks.
And I believe you're a witness for the people. Is that one of your witnesses, Ms. Schneider?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what's going to be the resolution?
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. Mr. Owens has a number of tickets. He's come into compliance on the 3 no dog license tickets. We're willing to dismiss those today in light of him being in compliance. There are some factual issues and a need for reciprocal discovery on the no dog restraint tickets. So I believe Attorney Soroki will be joining me in requesting that Mr. Owens be assigned an appointed attorney, and we can share that reciprocal discovery prior to our next trial date.
I would, Your Honor. I think it's the best way to go in this matter.
And Mr. Brooks, do you understand what's going on? Has somebody spoken to you about that?
No. I just know I made a complaint. I know that much. And I spoke to the officer, and the officer told me a trial date. I mean, a court hearing date.
Very well. And are you a neighbor or what?
Yes, next door neighbor.
Okay. It's unfortunate that she couldn't resolve this matter amicably between the two of you, but
They have many cases, Your Honor, civil and criminal.
so it's an ongoing thing.
Yes, yes.
What do you have to say, Mr. Owens?
Technically speaking, Your Honor, he is not my neighbor. That would be him lying under oath. He lives next door. He owns the home next door to me. He doesn't reside there.
Okay. So it's never going to end then, huh?
No, I
Two
mean,
grown men. Wait a minute. Two grown men are going to keep back and forth.
Your Honor, it's not me. I promise to God, it's not me, Your Honor. I don't bother nobody.
That's what everybody says.
Okay.
I didn't ask who it was. It's just gonna keep on going though, huh?
No, Your Honor, I'm not trying to keep going with nothing. I'm just trying to live in peace. I have 4 kids to take care of, 1 in college, 2 on the way. I don't have time for frivolousness and ignorance. I don't have time for it. I own my own company and I work.
Here we go. All right, it's enough said. See, you know, there it goes. I saw Mr. Brooks say, no, he doesn't want to keep it going. But you want to talk about ignorance and things like that. And I guarantee I asked him, if I ask him about these dogs, he's not going to feel that that's ignorant. But there you go. All right, I'm going to give you an opportunity. Do you need a lawyer appointed to you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
My mom used to always say, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. And I guess when you say things like that way, it's not going to resolve itself. It is going to keep on going.
Your Honor, I don't mean to be rude or disrespectful to you, and no matter what, sir.
Oh, you're not being disrespectful to me. Yeah, I think you're being disrespectful to Mr. Brooks.
Your Honor, this has been going on for 3 years.
I know. That's what I'm trying to say to you, sir. Isn't it time for it to be put to bed and you guys become better neighbors? Isn't it time?
Yes, Your Honor. I concur, but when you can't.
Okay, so stop. So when you say but now, you're gonna put a barrier up in between that. If you agree with me and say it's time to be good neighbors, then now let's put this stuff behind us and become good neighbors.
I'm more
Don't put the but in there. Are you willing to become a good neighbor, Mr. Brooks?
Yes, I would love. I love all my neighbors, Your Honor. Yes,
I know. I'm asking Mr. Brooks now. Are you willing to become a good neighbor?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now, when you add extra stuff to it, he says he wants to be a good neighbor. You want to be a good neighbor. Well, let's put this stuff behind us. Let's be good neighbors. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what's your phone number, sir?
313 290 5122.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reset this for a pretrial date for the 28th of June. Mr. Brooks, you're more than welcome to come in to that pretrial date. You don't have to if you don't want to. Today was a date and time set for a trial, so it was a case of you having to come in if you want to put your testimony on. But since there's no testimony, the parties need some time to get some further discovery and things like that. We'll allow them that time to do that. You're going to need to, Mr. Owens, to answer the calls you don't necessarily recognize, because hopefully one of those calls will be that appointed attorney. We'll put that paperwork in for you today. And then the next court date will be June 28th. I will dismiss B132-55624, B132-55724, and B132-55824, the dog license tickets, because you apparently have come into compliance. All right. The other tickets will remain open, and you don't have to wait until this is over with either to start becoming good neighbors. You know, you can do that anytime. Hopefully that happens right now, and then you act like grown men should be able to discuss and talk things out, and then this kind of situation, if the court has to get involved, this is what we're for. So you guys don't bicker amongst each other and somebody potentially raises to the level of somebody getting hurt. But if you want to be a good neighbor, it can start right now. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I hear both people agreeing. Hopefully it can come to some sort of resolution that's amicable for both of you two, and then you can start that process. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Investigator Charleston, they'll get in contact with you if they need you next time. You just be safe out there, and Mr. Owens and Mr. Brooks, both of you have a very good day and best of luck to you both. All
You
right.
said
Okay.
you
Thank
said
you, Your Honor.
628, right, Your Honor?
628 at 8:30.
8:30. Cool.
All right. If that attorney hasn't contacted you on 628, on that day, we will automatically appoint attorney on the spot. All right.
Cool beans. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Very well. Both of you have a very good day. All right.
You as well. Have a blessed one.
All right, Investigator Charleston, you have a good day. Be safe. All right.
Thank you, Pauline. I appreciate you very much.
Good luck.
Excuse me, Judge Perkins.
Yes.
Were you down at juvenile court?
No, that was probably Judge David Perkins, no relation, but he is a good guy.
Okay, yeah, because I used to work at Black Family Development, and I was like, that ain't the other Judge Perkins. All right. All right.
He was here, and then he went over to probate court. So now he's at probate.
Oh, okay.
All right. All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, last but not least is Mr. Gordon. And then Lige never did. Did we do anything with Lige? Oh yeah, it took the. Are you all set with Gordon, or do you need to speak to Miss Snyder still, Mr. Barry?
I have spoken to Ms. Snyder. This is a trial date, Your Honor. The officer is present, except that Mr. Glover has an officer witness. He wasn't represented.
Right. And let's go back. Let's put it on the record.
Yes.
The City of Detroit versus David Gordon, case number B12492223. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
David Lee Gordon.
All right. So first and foremost, good morning to you, Mr. Gordon. Investigator Walton, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes. Inspector Walton with the City of Detroit Building and Safety Department, ID number 1477.
Finally, you get to put your appearance on the record.
I know, right?
So I did request an appointed attorney back, and then the pretrial was set for 2/20/2024. So this case seems to be dragging along. Has Mr. Gordon, has an attorney ever contacted you?
No, not to my knowledge. Not as far as me receiving it.
The case started last year, May the 2nd, 2023, over a year ago. What is going on? Are you still proceeding, Ms. Walton, Inspector Walton, or has anything in your mind been rectified, or what's your position?
Yes, my position is that at the time he was in violation of the property, and he still owed inspection fees.
Well, I'm not here for the inspection fees. I'm here for the unsafe or secure.
Yes, at the time of the inspection, he was the owner of the property. Yes.
Well, at the end of the day, what's the status of the property now? I think he did mention that it's not his. I think the last time. I don't know. What's going on with the property now? Does it still need to be secured?
Yes, it was. Give me a minute to look at the record. One moment.
Nevertheless, Mr. Gordon never had that attorney contact him. I am going to, based on what Mr. Berry mentioned off the record, that is sort of crucial in order for him to proceed so that he can get his witnesses. I'm hearing that there's a witness that he needs to have come into court and he needs to get them. And it's just reluctantly going to give him another adjournment, and not reluctantly because, you know, I don't want to, Mr. Gordon. I just say that because, well, I would like to get the case done sooner rather than later, but I see it's going to go in a little further. Can we give Mr. Gordon an attorney right now?
Yeah. So the property is still, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
The property is still vacant and no repairs was completed at the property, so it's still in. Still have the damages.
Okay. No, I have Mr. Berry and Ms. Soroki. Did you say the final say? I said the attorney was there ever maybe? Or, that's what I was looking to see. We're going to try to see if we can get a lawyer right now so that we don't have to worry about this issue next time.
Okay.
No. Okay. You can get Barry off. But I don't.
He just moved fast. She said, don't worry. Yes, yes. Okay. It's David Gordon. B124. No, what's the next person? All right, thanks.
Mhm.
This is from the help to street outreach. What about that's on this week?
Just one more.
Okay, thank you.
So let's move back out the same. Snyder here.
Yes.
All right, what I'm doing is I'm getting a attorney appointed, Mr. Gordon, for you. We're trying to get one appointed on the spot since that previous board did not.
Okay.
Was done. Investigator Walton, you're feel free to stay. The next court date is going to be June 28th, 2024 for a pretrial. This may be our Mr. Bachman.
June 28th.
Yeah, June 28th. Good morning to you, Mr. Bachman. Can you put your appearance on the record, please, for Mr. David Gordon?
May it please the court, Your Honor, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Gordon, would you state your name?
David Lee Gordon.
Okay, Mr. Gordon, this is Mr. Bachman. This is going to be your attorney moving forward. The next court date is going to be June the 28th. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Bachman so you guys can get acquainted, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Okay.
Also, Your Honor, can you put me in a breakout room? I also need to talk to a city attorney because I'm coming up with him as still the owner. But can you put me in a breakout room as well?
Yeah, I don't see Miss Schneider. Let me find out where she is.
Okay.
All right, just get Miss Snyder down here. Let me find out where Miss Snyder is. Join the room. Let's get Mr. Bachman a copy of the ticket as well. All right. Mr. Bachman. Robinson?
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, good morning. Mr. Lindsay never appeared.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so we'll put a warrant out and see if we can find it.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
How's your mom doing?
He's stable. Thank you for asking.
Always. All right. I'll see you
Thank
later.
you. See you later.
Could we capture Miss Inspector Walton's phone number for Mr. Boffman?
Yeah.
Yes, it's 313-949-7117.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nine 497-117.
Correct.
Hundred lines over never show up. Gotta be the same line. But she came in earlier with the review. All right, let's go back on the record. Then unfortunately, Investigator Walton, their internet is not acting right. That's why Ms. Snyder hasn't been on. So she's here in the courtroom now. If you wanted to say something to her, unless you need a private room.
Yeah, I need a private. I can talk to her afterwards. That's fine.
Okay, I did, Inspector Walton, I don't know if you heard, Attorney Barry was saying something about he needed a necessary witness. And I think he was gonna ask for an adjournment. Oh, and Attorney Barry, I was gonna discuss with you, we'd be willing to dismiss if your client can pay his past due fines. So if we do an adjournment.
No,
okay.
no, let's not, because I'm still coming up as him being the owner.
Okay, so I guess we'll skip to the adjournment.
Yeah.
And then yeah, Mr. Boffman is now, because the file was marked as needed appointed counsel, but no counsel was ever appointed. So the file, we have Mr. Boffman that we brought in on the spot. So now next time we don't have this issue. All right, that will cover it, Investigator Walton?
Yes.
I'll send you an email.
You know, if you want to stay, you know that you're more than welcome to, but if you want to leave.
I'm fine. I'll leave.
Have a good day, everybody.
Y'all have a good day.
Everybody.
Thank you.
So she's from this.
I'll be back in 332, but I'll be back.
Your Honor, are we going back on is this for Gordon? Are we going back on for Gordon?
Well, if we need to, give me a second. I just wanted them to get acquainted. You better step away.
No. I'm gonna step away for just like 2 minutes, but no, I'm
Yeah,
fine.
no, I'm just letting, I gave them the date. I'm just gonna let Mr. Bachman, if he needs to say something on the record, I'll allow him to put it on there.
Yes, Your Honor. Give me a couple minutes. I'll be right back.
All right.
Did we lose Mr. Gordon, Mr. Hoffman?
I'm not sure if I was supposed to advise and release the defendant, or we need to go on the record. I need him right back. I have his phone.
No, let's go back. We'll go back on the record, I gave your client his date to return. You have contact with him. You have that date. We did have a number for Investigator Walton if you need it.
I have it.
Okay, you have that. That'll conclude it then. I appreciate you. Excuse me, Mr. Walton, coming in right away.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm always thankful to be here. I hope everybody has a nice day. See you next time.
All right.